Today we're checking out this SR Performance steel flywheel 8-bolt for the 1996 to 2004 Mustang Cobra and Mach 1, the 1999 to mid-2001 Mustang GT, and the 2011 to 2017 Mustang GT and V6. If you're already doing a clutch, this is one of those parts that's easy to overlook, but it plays a huge role in how smooth that clutch feels, how well it grabs, and how long everything lasts once you get it back on the road. So it's definitely worth considering. This is a solid upgrade for anybody replacing a worn flywheel or just trying to do the clutch job the right way the first time. People like to debate resurfacing a stock flywheel versus going full new like this one. But the truth is that the flywheel surface is what your clutch is biting into every single time you let that pedal out. So starting fresh can mean smoother engagement, less chatter, and better overall feel compared to taking a chance on a resurfaced piece that may still have heat spots or wear baked into it already. The big benefit of this high quality steel is strength and consistency, especially on a car that sees hard driving, hard launches, or higher RPM use, because steel holds up better than a basic cast factory flywheel when you're putting real world stress on it. You're also getting a neutral 0-ounce balance setup, which helps keep things smooth and predictable when everything is bolted up and spinning. This is going to be an 8-bolt pattern, so make sure to double check your setup. Some Mustangs are 6-bolt and some Mustangs are 8-bolt, so you want the flywheel that perfectly matches what you already have. If you're building a street car that still needs to be reliable, maybe it's your daily driver also, and you want something that can handle more abuse than stock while supporting a fresh factory clutch, this is exactly the lane that this sits in. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a steel flywheel built for strength with an 8-bolt crank pattern, a 164 tooth ring gear, and a 0-ounce balance. It's also SFI certified, which is a big deal for durability and safety when you're spinning the engine at higher RPMs and putting the drivetrain under more load. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the mid $200 price range. For a brand new steel flywheel, that's a solid value, especially when you compare it to resurfacing an old flywheel and just hoping it stays smooth and behaves with your new clutch. This is one of those parts where spending a little now can save you from doing the job again later and save you headaches down the road. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 4 hours of your time. This is best paired with a clutch replacement job since you're already in there doing the work. And if you aren't 100% confident with your ability to get this one done, then just go ahead and hire a professional for that peace of mind that the job is getting done correctly. That's gonna wrap it up for my review of the SR Performance Steel Flywheel 8-bolt for the 1996 to 2004 Mustang Cobra and Mach 1, the 1999 to mid-2001 Mustang GTs, and the 2011 to 2017 Mustang GT and V6. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.